Welcome back to our nature series, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife. Today, we delve into the intriguing realm of the wild boar, an iconic and captivating creature found in various parts of the world. Join us as we embark on an exhilarating journey to uncover the secrets and remarkable traits of these intelligent and resourceful animals. The wild boar is a native of Eurasia and North Africa. The species is now one of the widest-ranging mammals in the world, as well as the most widespread. The wild boar has a long history of association with humans, having been the ancestor of most domestic pig breeds and a big game animal for millennia. Wild boars are diverse animals with 4 main types and 15 subspecies, varying in size, appearance, and color depending on their habitat. They can easily interbreed, making classification difficult. The main 4 types are Western wild boar. They all have thick underwool, and the majority are high-skulled and have poorly developed manes. Indian wild boar. These have sparse or absent underwool, long manes, and prominent bands on the snout and mouth. Eastern wild boar. These have a whitish streak extending from the corners of the mouth to the lower jaw. Most are high-skulled with thick underwool and no mane. Indonesian wild boar, no underwool, a fairly long mane, and a broad reddish band extending from the muzzle to the sides of the neck. It is the least evolved of the 4 groups in terms of cranial structure, brain size, and teeth. The wild boars are also commonly known as European wild pigs. People have farmed them for so many centuries that the wild boar is the ancestor of common domestic pigs. The wild boar is a mammal of medium size, characterized by a prominent head and a relatively larger front portion that transitions into a smaller hind section. Its fur consists of 2 layers, an outer layer that feels rough due to its bristly texture, and a softer undercoat beneath. The hair along the back ridge of the wild boar is longer compared to the rest of its body. The coloration of wild boars can vary, ranging from brown, black, red, to dark gray, predominantly influenced by their geographical location. For instance, wild boars in Western Europe typically exhibit a brown coloration, while those inhabiting Eastern European forests can be entirely black. Although the wild boar possesses small eyes, its visual acuity is notably weak. However, it compensates for this limitation with a long, straight snout that grants it an exceptional sense of smell. The snout of the wild boar is a distinctive characteristic, setting it apart from other mammals, particularly wild pigs. Equipped with a cartilaginous disc at the tip, supported by a small bone known as the prenasal, the wild boar's snout serves as a powerful tool, resembling a bulldozer, aiding in its search for food. All wild boars possess tusks on their lower jaws, although those of males are larger and curve upward out of their mouths. Notably, males also have a hollow tusk on their upper lip, which functions as a self-sharpening mechanism, constantly honing the male's lower tusks. Both the upper and lower tusks of a male wild boar can reach lengths of up to 6 centimeters. Wild boars are nocturnal animals that forage for food only at night. They spend around 12 hours sleeping in a dense nest of leaves during the day. Female wild boars are relatively sociable animals that live in groups called sounders consisting of 6 to 30 members. Sounders consist of breeding females and their young and can often be found in the same area as other groups, although they don't usually mix. Males, however, are solitary most of the year, but during the breeding season will move closer to the sounders, and even other males. Male wild boars compete with one another to mate with a female. After successful mating, the female wild boar enters a period of gestation and subsequently gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 piglets. The birth usually takes place in a nest carefully constructed within a dense thicket, comprising a combination of leaves, grasses, and moss. This secluded nest provides protection and shelter for the newborns. For the first approximately 2 weeks of their lives, the mother remains close to her piglets, diligently guarding them against potential predators. During this vulnerable stage, wild boar piglets display distinct physical characteristics. They possess light brown fur adorned with cream and brown stripes that extend along the length of their backs. These stripes serve as effective camouflage, blending the piglets into the forest floor debris. However, as the piglets grow older, typically between 3 and 4 months of age, the stripes gradually fade away. Around the age of 2 months, the piglets start venturing out on short foraging expeditions, gradually gaining independence. During this period, their fur transitions to an almost reddish hue. As they continue to mature, the piglets reach a level of self-sufficiency by approximately 7 months old. However, it is not until around 1 year of age that the wild boar fully develops its adult coloration, acquiring the characteristic appearance of its species. The wild boar is an omnivorous animal, and 90% of its diet is young leaves, berries, grasses, and fruits. It also unearths roots and bulbs with its hard snout. Living in highly seasonal regions, wild boars have had to adapt to changing fruits and flowers and favor the protein-rich nuts, such as acorns, found in the autumn, which helps to prepare them for the winter ahead. They will, however, eat almost anything that will fit into their mouths and supplement their diet by eating eggs, mice, lizards, worms, and even snakes. Wild boars will also finish off the abandoned kill of another animal. Due to their large distribution, wild boars are prey to numerous predators of all shapes and sizes. Large felines such as leopards, lynxes, and tigers are among the most common predators of the wild boar, along with other large carnivores like wolves, bears, and humans. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into the world of wild boars, their fascinating lives and remarkable adaptations. If you found this video intriguing and want to discover more about wildlife content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, delving into the diverse realms of nature and wildlife. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with fellow wildlife enthusiasts. Together, let's spread the fascination and appreciation for the natural world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more amazing animal facts with you in our upcoming videos.